Go on then, Richard, what's this one?
This unit, again, it's more for the automotive trade, so I mean, we sort of do different categories, or that's how I would categorise it, and I think this is a general inspection torch, so if you're in the aviation industry, or if you're in the automotive industry, whether it be recovery or something along those lines, most of the people would use an inspection lamp. So I mean, they're very easy to charge and to store. So I mean, you've got a cradle charger here, again, mains and 12 volt chargeable. This is wall mountable as well, so you can mount it on the wall, mount it on the dash. And it's very easy.
And it charges from just being in there?
Yeah, you just drop it into the charging base there, and you can have it at different angles as well. So, but there's also a very strong magnet at the back, but nice long running time in terms of having a unit out there.
A magnet for?
The magnet, I suppose, you would use if you were putting it to the top of a bonnet, or if you're putting it on the car or some sort of surface. I mean, there's a hook on there, so you can hook it there as well. So you can hook it onto something, or you can use the magnet. But it's a very strong, powerful magnet.
So that would actually stick to something?
Yeah, try it, yeah.
Ah, fantastic.
Yeah, so that's very easy. Won't fall off, won't come loose. Yeah, that's right, yeah. So yeah, it has a slide over diffusers as well, so you've got a red lens which you can have on there.
But there's no reason that anybody at home could not use this just as a DIY product?
No, I mean, it's just predominantly an inspection lamp, so it's for use in terms of going over there and doing inspections. So we supply a lot of utility companies.
Right, so folks such as electricians or anybody, and again they can charge it in the car and they can charge it from a plug at home.
Absolutely, yeah. So I mean, it sort of locks in there sort of quite easily. So I mean, it's not likely to fall out. So I mean, if you're mounting it correctly in the vehicle, very easy to use. Again, light output. You've got a nice solid area of light there from the LED. So you've got an array to give you a wider spread light overall. And then I think it has a flashing function as well. So you have a flashing function there also.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I mean, again, just as a general everyday inspection torch, this one is very reasonably priced. When I see the price of some of the actual inspection torches out there, you think,
and this is as again using the old-fashioned incandescent bulb with a wire guard round.
No, most of them are LED now. They've made the conscious move over. So I mean, you'll see that most of them are LED. These use 36 LEDs to give you this kind of performance. You've got, I think it's 5 hours continuous operation on that,
which is well enough for most.
That is, yeah. So I mean, when you're not using it, and you're only using it intermittently, if you're a mechanic or something along those lines, or doing your recoveries
for hours and hours and hours.
Exactly.
And would you leave it on charge constantly, or would it be something that you would just?
Yeah, you just leave it on permanent charge. There's a battery indicator there to let you know that it's fully charged, and there's obviously an indicator here as well at the bottom, so that you know that it's charged. Yeah. You can't overcharge it, can't harm it by leaving it fully charged. So yeah, it's very easy.
Fantastic.